Hey guys, by now you might have heard about the LooxidVR and its features, such as the integration of eye-tracking cameras and EEG sensors into one simple tool, and the time synchronization of incoming signals with the VR content that the user is observing. But what can you really do with the LooxidVR? In this clip, we'll show you how to configure the settings of the Unity SDK so that you can proceed to make your own apps for the LooxidVR. First things first, download the Unity SDK from the Unity website. Open the program and proceed to clicking on the File tab and then on Build Settings, which will open a new window. On the Build Settings window, select Android among the options for the platforms and then click on Switch Platforms. Then, click on Player Settings, which will open the Inspector Side tab on the Unity SDK program. Open and scroll down in the Other Settings tab, and proceed to renaming that package name to whatever name you want. Then, find the Minimum API Level section and select Android 7 Nougat API Level 24. Further down, you will find the Extra Settings section, in which you should enable the virtual reality supported option and click on the plus sign to open the available options. Once you select the Daydream on the virtual reality SDKs, you will have completed the initial configuration of the settings. Now, it's time for you to download the LooxidVR SDK from the download section on our website. Open the Unity SDK program and open Assets. Go to Import Package and then click on Custom Package. On the window that opens, find the LooxidVR SDK Unity package that you just downloaded and import it. Now that you know how to do the basic configurations for Unity, let me show you how you can use the demo application we provide on our website to make your own customized test material. If you have tried the recording demo, you will have noticed that there are two sections. In one, there will be a number of pictures followed by a question, and in the other, a video will be displayed. If you don't know how to code, don't worry, as we will show you how you can implement your images or video based on our example without going too deep into coding. This way, you will only need to focus on the interpretation of the EEG signals and gaze position, among others. Let me start with the image implementation portion. In this part, you will need 8 pictures which you will use to see how the user's EEG signals and eyes respond to them. Open the Unity SDK program and you will see that in the Projects tab, there will be a section called Assets, which will contain various folders. Under Assets, go to the folder named LXVR-SDK and then click on the folder named Image. Proceed by moving the images that you prepared and move them to the Image folder. Select all the images that you have just added to the Image folder and you will see how the Inspector Side tab changes accordingly. Change the texture type from default to sprite and press Apply. After doing so, go to the Hierarchy Side tab and under Main Camera, click on Demo UI. The Inspector Side tab will change. Scroll down to the Recording Demo Script section and insert each image according to the order you want on the respective slots by dragging the image file. When you are done, press play on the top of the Unity program and your image demo should be ready to go. On a side note, in order for your demo to play in Unity, make sure that you have opened your LooxidVR application and that your LooxidVR is connected to your computer using the USB port. On the left side of the LooxidVR application, click on Connect and a device should appear which will connect to the Unity program. When the LooxidVR application connects to Unity, the loading icon should stop and you will be able to see the demo you have customized. In order to move the pointer, press Shift and move your cursor around to start. You will notice that the demo starts with the eye calibration portion. We do not want to get rid of this because we would like to know where in the image the user is looking at. Hence, this portion is set as default and I won't give any explanation on this section. At the end of the demo, you will notice that there is a question section. You can customize this section by looking into the code. What? Code? Don't worry, it's very simple. Go to the Project Side tab and in the demo folder, you will see a folder named Script which will lead you to the code. Double click on it. Open the code and look for the section that involves the set question. Few lines below, you will see a portion of the code that corresponds to the question that appears in the demo. which will be in red. Change this section to the question you want, and right below, change the answers to what you want the options to be. Make sure to save the changes that you have made and play the demo. You will see that the questions in the end have changed. Now that I have shown you how to change the images for the demo, let me show you how you can change the video in the demo as well. Open the video folder in the demo folder of the LooxidVR-SDK and drag the video onto the video clip slot located in the video player folder in the hierarchy side tab. You will see that the video has changed in the video portion of the demonstration. The possibilities are endless. Remember guys, make your research limitless.